movies to legendary bowling alleys, March 6th is officially Big Lebowski Day, a time where fans of the iconic 1998 film can come together and celebrate things the dude.
That's right.
All things the dude.
At Kings Back Bay, they're bringing that energy to life with a big Lebowski-themed night. And joining us now is Kyle Osgood, General Manager of Kings Back Bay, to tell us more about it. Kyle, what a fun day to celebrate.
Are you kidding me? It's going to be amazing, guys. The fact that us at Kings, we've gone back into nods as far as like having, little hints to the Big Lebowski too. On March 6th at 7 o'clock, this upcoming Thursday, we're throwing this big party. Basically dinner, movie, bowling. It's awesome. $20 a ticket. It's basically going to give you guys, access to a movie ticket, bowling for an hour, soft popcorn and soft drinks. But
and lots of food.
And all these specials that we're going to be giving away.
I've been munching on everything here. Obviously, this is popcorn, but what else are these Big Lebowski themed meals here?
Absolutely. So you have the over-the-line pretzel here.
Yep.
You have the Big Lebowski burger.
That is a big
King's
burger.
Pick with our flagship on the top.
Love
You
it.
see that? Right?
That's good.
And then we have Sobchak's shrimp tacos over here, guys.
Okay.
We have the Nihilist nachos.
Ooh.
And basically, these are Walter's wings.
Walter's wings. All right,
Walter's
I have
wings.
to dive into
Are those
Walter's
spicy?
wings here.
These look sweet.
Yep, buffalo and then barbecue over here. They'll both be on special.
What do you think it is about this movie that makes people keep coming back?
I think it's just wildly rewatchable. And every time you rewatch it, you find something new about it.
Yeah.
Right.
Like the fact that it says man and dude almost 307 times in the entire
Has to be a
movie.
record.
It's absolutely wild.
Yeah.
And Donnie's shirt he wears plenty of shirts on the whole film, but not one time does it actually ever say his name on his shirt. And I think it's hilarious that every time you watch it, you find something new.
Well, and you're wearing the shirt.
Yeah.
Yep. So this is King's branded. King's branded. And I'd be doing myself a disservice not to wear a robe.
Oh, yes, as you should.
here today for you guys.
We noticed it earlier. Yes,
You do? I appreciate it.
I didn't pick up on that. Look at
I
that.
appreciate
All right,
it.
you're really thinking of everything here. Okay, so
Absolutely.
you mentioned movie,
Yep.
an hour of bowling,
Hour bowling included.
amazing, and then you mentioned some drinks.
Yes, so
Yes.
the
gonna just put my
iconic White Russian,
Okay.
the flagship of the movie
Yeah.
that Jeff Bridges drinks entirely throughout.
Yeah.
I think the count might be 9 on that.
9?
9 White Russians throughout
You
the whole
know,
film.
you need to do trivia next, but I think you might win.
Well, so this is what I'm loving here, right? You can watch it every single time,
Right.
watch it through and see
Right.
different things. Look at me over here with my napkin. I'm like
trying
gearing
cute
up
with
to make this
wing,
White
and
Russian.
It's not cute at all. So.
All right.
So, Hannah, if you want to grab me some ice, we can kick things off.
I feel like I can be trusted with more than just.
I trust you. I fully trust you.
How much?
Yeah, just do
Little more?
a little bit more.
A little more?
Yeah, a little bit more.
Couple scoops.
Yeah.
All right.
Have you guys had a White Russian before?
I had a fun fact, actually.
Yeah?
The very first alcoholic beverage I had was a White Russian.
I love that for
Have you had a White Russian?
I have not.
Okay, so
But I'm gonna make it for
We're
the
gonna
first
do it
time.
today.
Hey.
All right, so we have some ice.
Yep, perfect.
Now?
All right, now go ahead and just throw that right in there.
Okay.
Boom.
And better yet, we can have you make this if you'd like.
I'm all for it. Okay.
All right, let's do it. Now, we're going to fill this up to right
top?
at the top right here with the vodka, yeah?
With the vodka. Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
The most important part of the drink.
There we go.
All right.
Pour that right in.
Pour it right in.
Yeah. And then we're going to do
What-
half of that.
So 2 parts. So I flip it upside down,
Yeah,
yeah?
upside
So
down
2 parts
with the
vodka,
Kahlua.
1 part Kahlua.
You got it.
Okay.
Look, you talk bartender.
I'm talking bartender. Okay.
Well done.
A little
I just
extra.
well, I feel like I
saw
didn't filled
that.
it quite
I
to
saw
the
that.
top.
I would go to a bar that Hannah was bartending at, because that's the respect right there.
I feel like you got to follow a little bit. Okay, this is now you're talking a different language.
This is easy. Look, just turn it upside down, the jigger, and then just do a little
The rest of
right
it-
up
a little
there
bit
to
of
the
milk in
top,
here?
and then we're good to go.
This is cream, not
Fresh
milk.
cream?
I should note. Okay.
2 ounces of cream.
All right.
3 ounces?
Yeah,
2 ounces, 3 ounces.
2 ounces.
2 ounces. 2 ounces of cream.
Do not
1
follow
ounce of
our
Kahlua.
instructions.
2 ounces of vodka.
Boom. Shake it all up.
Okay.
And there you have it.
There it is.
The master
soft
shaker
shake.
of drinks.
I got you.
All
Gotta
right.
go. You got to do this. It's just not up and down.
It's the appropriate way to do it, correct. The appropriate way.
I'm getting good at this. Okay.
All right. You've done this before.
I've made a margarita.
Oh my goodness.
Made
All
a
right.
margarita.
So where do people sign up for the tickets for this event?
Absolutely easy. You can literally go right to our website, playatkings.com. Follow the link to Big Lebowski Day.
Perfect.
And you can literally just sign up right there. Easy. It takes 2
I'm a
minutes.
fan of this.
I don't know if you want to come to my
Ooh.
bar because I didn't fill it quite to
We'll
the
see
top.
what she
but-
did here. Cheers. I love that I have all the things.
Kyle, thanks for being here today, and also
you.
thank you for celebrating things like this because we all needed an excuse to smile, right?
And
You know
Hannah
what?
did a good job for the record, so I think
I'm
you should
available
hire
for
her
hire.
as Kings as well.
Talk to me after.
Kidding.
All right, guys, we'll see you
you,
back here
guys.
tomorrow. Have a good one.
Hey,
There it is.
I love it.